How to make decals in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you wanna go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for roblox.com. And once you search for it, you wanna go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you logged into your account, simply tap on create. And once you tap onto it, create.roblox.com is going to open up in your screen. So from here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on dashboard. And once you're inside dashboard, simply select development items right over here. And from here, simply select decals. Now go ahead and tap on upload asset. And then in this page, you want to go ahead and tap on upload. Select any image from your gallery section. Tap open. And once you have your gallery, you can go ahead and give it a name and also description right over here. Once done, tap and upload. And just like that, you have successfully created a decal in Roblox. If you would like to view it, simply go ahead and search for roblox.com, log into your account, tap on the tree line icon, select inventory, and inside inventory, you want to go ahead and search for decals and then tap onto it. Just like that, you'll then be able to find your decals right over here. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.